Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 15.2 question number 1. Question number 1 is plot the following points on a graph sheet. Verify if they lie on a line. Number A is 4, 0, 4, 2, 4, 6, 4, 2.5. And B is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. C is K, 2, 3, 5, 3, 5, 5, 2, 5. Let us find the points. If we draw a line here, you see here, if we draw a line, then we are getting, let us take this point says, let us take this line. Let us take a line here. This line we are taking. Let us take another line. Now, if we draw the coordinates, and we take the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then I am getting this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one is 6. And let us take another point 1, x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? This one we take as 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this one is 4, this one is 5, this one is 6, this one is 7, right? And this one we take as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let us take all these points. Number A, 4, 0. This 4, 0 is this point 4 and 0. That means this point is 4, 0. This point is 4 and 0. 4, 0. Right? Next one is 4, 2. 4, 2. This point is 4, 2. X-axis is 4. No, this is 4, 2. 4, 2. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 x-axis and y-axis is 2, 1, 2. That means this point 4, 2. Then 4, 6, 4, 6. If I take this as 6.6, this is 6 point. 4, 6, this is 4 and 6 is this one, 5, 6. This point is 4, 6. This point is 4, 6, 4, 6. And D is 4, 2.5. 4, this is 2. 2.5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means in the middle it will be 4.5. This is 4, 2. This is 4. This is 2.5. In the middle, this point, this is 4 and 2.5. Right? This point is A point. This is B point. This is C point. And this point is D point. 4, 2.5. Right? If we draw a line here, then we are getting a linear graph. If you draw this line with the help of blue color, then we are getting this as a straight line. and it is parallel to y-axis. Getting this straight line. This is a linear graph and it is parallel to y-axis. This one. Yes, well, this is for question number A. Find question number B. The point is 1, 1. P. P is 1, 1. This point is 1, 1. This point is P. And that is 1, 1. This point is 2, 2. This point is 2, 2. This is Q. Q point. And this point is 2, 2. 2, 2. X-axis is 2 and Y is 2. And this point is a 3, 3. This point is 3, 3. This point is 3, 3. X3 and Y3. That means this point is 3, 3. And that is R. This is 3, 3. 3, 3. And S is 4, 4. This point is 4. This x-axis is 4. Y-axis is 4. This point is 4, 4. This point is 4, 4. S 4, 4. If we draw this line, then we are getting a linear graph like this. This linear graph we are getting. That is P to Q, Q to R, R to S. Right? This graph is for question number B. This is for question number A. This graph is for question number B. Let us find question number C. C is 2, 3. C is 2. X2 and Y3, this point. 2, 3. This point, the X is 2 and Y is 3. And this point is 2, 3. This point is K. K. And the point is 2, 3. L 5, 3. L 5. X is 5 and this point is 3. 1, 2, 3. X 5, Y 3. This point is 5, 3. This point is 5, 3. L, that is 5, 3. 5, 3. L is 5, 3. Then M is 5, 5. M is 5, 5. This is 5 and this is also 5. Y is also 5. This is M. M is 5, 5. 5, 5. And N is 2, 5. N is 2 and 5. 2, 5. X is 2, Y is 5. This point. N is 2, 5. 2, 5. Right? And if we draw these lines, K to L, K to L. If we draw this line, then we are getting a line like this. K to L, L to M, and M to N. N is 2, 5. This is N. Here you see A and B. A and B are linear graphs. You see, this is a straight line, and this is also a straight line, but this is not a straight line, right? A and B, they are lie on a line. A and B, A and B, A and B lie on a line. A and B lie on a line, but C do not lie on a line. Do not lie on a line. On a line. right? Now you see, this is the, we have taken this as the x-axis. This is O, this is x, this is x-axis, this is O, this is y, this is y-axis, right? Here we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here you also get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.